front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select System, Keyboard, on-screen keyboard at the top, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to select text correction and scroll a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do wanna use autocorrection, I would recommend to enable this feature called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace thanks to this switcher right next to it. It will make using autocorrection even better, and if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!